Welcome to Smart AI Earn. In 2025, the landscape of content creation is transforming rapidly. AI writing tools are the driving force behind this change. Did you know that over 60% of content creators now use these tools? They enhance efficiency and creativity, revolutionizing how we produce content. The advancements in AI language models have changed the writing industry, improving productivity and content quality. Enhanced natural language processing and deep learning algorithms enable these tools to generate complex, human-like text. In recent years, AI content creation tools have become more sophisticated. They offer features like automated content generation and advanced editing. The benefits are clear. Automated content creation saves time, allowing businesses to focus resources elsewhere. Moreover, these tools improve quality through data analysis, producing engaging and relevant content. For example, content generators like Jasper AI allow users to create high-quality blog posts quickly. Editing tools such as Grammarly AI refine writing to enhance clarity and style. SEO tools, including Surfer SEO, help optimize content for search visibility. As we look to the future, AI tools will continue evolving, offering even more innovative applications. Emerging trends include personalized content and increased focus on ethical AI practices. Integrating these tools into your workflow will enhance productivity like never before. In conclusion, AI writing tools are indispensable in today's content creation landscape. They boost efficiency, improve quality, and offer cost savings. By leveraging these tools, you can stay ahead of the competition. Ready to enhance your content creation process? Explore the top AI tools available in 2025 and discover how they can transform your workflow. In 2025, Smart AI Earn invites you to redefine your approach to content creation with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. As AI evolves, the potential for tailored solutions grows, enabling creators to engage their audience in unprecedented ways. Embracing these innovations allows for a seamless integration into everyday tasks, making the creative process not just simpler, but more inspiring. Imagine crafting compelling narratives and precise messaging within moments, freeing time to explore new ideas. With the right AI tools, your content can not only meet but exceed expectations, setting you apart in a crowded market. Join the movement today. The promise of AI in content creation is not just about speed, it's about enhancing creativity and elevating the craft of writing itself. Consider the way these tools analyze trends and audience engagement, allowing creators to tailor their messaging effectively. By utilizing AI-driven insights, you can better understand what resonates with your audience, making your content more impactful. Moreover, as ethical practices gain prominence, the focus will shift towards ensuring that AI enhances the human touch rather than replacing it. This harmony between technology and creativity will lay the foundation for a new era of authentic storytelling. With AI, your voice can remain central, empowered by data-driven strategies that cultivate connection and understanding. In this journey, your creativity is complemented, not overshadowed, guiding you to innovative solutions and fresh perspectives. Embrace the synergy of human creativity and AI precision as you venture into the future of content creation, where possibilities are endless. As you navigate this evolving landscape, consider exploring tools designed to make your writing process not only efficient, but also enjoyable. Tools like Jasper AI and Grammarly AI can be seamlessly integrated into your workflow, allowing for immediate feedback on your drafts while maintaining your unique voice. Surfer SEO also plays a vital role in helping you understand and implement search optimization strategies, ensuring your content reaches its intended audience effectively. By familiarizing yourself with these invaluable resources, you position yourself at the forefront of the content creation revolution, poised to harness every opportunity that arises. In summary, the fusion of AI tools and human creativity is redefining content creation, leading to enhanced quality and efficiency while maintaining authenticity. By adopting these advanced technologies, creators can innovate and thrive, ensuring their work resonates in a rapidly changing landscape. Embrace this revolution and elevate your content today. To learn more, visit smartAIearn.com. Thanks for watching the video.